Hello traders, this is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading, and today we're going to be doing the trading journal, and I'm going to actually take a live trade. The reason I'm going to do this is because I recently did a feedback to the readers of my blog via email, and a lot of people said they wanted to see me do a trade. So this is, once again, the trading journal is advancing and we're improving it all the time, and I thank you so much for your feedback. So we're going to go ahead and start with the trade that I'm looking at today, and that's the Great British Pound US dollar, and this is a daily chart. And you can see the support in here, all the many days as it tried to test the bottom, and then it moved up, and now we're headed back up, and we're currently on a 3-day uptrend, and we're up 5 out of the last 6 days. So we're headed up pretty strong from the low of 143.50 all the way up to 148.34, which is we're testing right now. We're testing a new high. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour chart now. Okay, so you can see here, this is the 1-hour chart. Alright, you can see that we're in an uptrend. Okay, higher highs and lower lows. We pop up, pop down, pop up, and pop down. So we've been consolidating. We had a lot of consolidation in here, a consolidation in here. Currently we're testing this line. Okay, you can see the test going on. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom up so you guys can actually see exactly what's going on here with this. Alright, so now you can see that we are currently testing this support or resistance area, and this is a 1-hour candle, and it's kind of indecisive. It popped up, but it didn't stay up. It's currently 11:19 Eastern Time, and we're trying to make a breakout to the upside. Okay, so the way that I'm going to trade this is I'm going to zoom back out again. You can see that the channel, you see the top? I've got the top of the channel and then the bottom. We're currently headed up. We just broke the support, and so we're headed up. So I'm going to be watching for the pair to go into this area around here, maybe 149, 149.50 area. I'll just draw a little symbol here. Anywhere in this area we're looking for the price to move up to, okay, to the top of this channel. Now when it gets here, I'm going to be watching the 1-hour candles for a reverse candle. Okay, and a reverse candle will be a red candle that will close lower than the previous low. So let me show you an example of a reverse candle. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 candles up. Now if the next candle closed below this line, that would symbol to me that we're in a reverse candle. Okay, and I would enter on the close on the hourly. So I would only have a chance to enter a trade every hour. So, and I would be looking for a target somewhere down here at the bottom of this trend line. Okay, and then the same thing is when we get to the bottom, I'll be looking for trades that are going up. For example, look at this. This is the trade moved down. We bounced off of this trend line. Okay, you see that right in here. Now let me zoom it up so you guys can see real good. Okay. Alright, so now we have the bounce, and then we have a blue candle, and this candle crossed above the high, but it didn't close, but this closed above the high of the previous candle. So right there, let me draw the line so you can see it. Right there would be my entry signal. Right there at that point would be an entry. And as you can see, the pair really shot up and went up for several hours. It went up to 148, so the entry was 145.39 and the exit was about 148 if you could manage that without getting stopped out. But this was a pretty straightforward trade, and it was ran very nicely. And also here you could see this would be a reverse signal, drop below the low. Right here would be the entry, and it kept running straight. And the exit would be that's about a 200 pip trade if you would have shorted right in here. Now the thing about these trades is these signals don't always run. For example, here's one. You can see right here, I'll highlight it so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Right here you have a signal that tells you to go short, and we would have taken the trade right about here. It would have dropped down about 20 pips, and then it went right back up and it stopped out. So sometimes you get stuck in consolidation. Right here would have been one. You go up right here. If you would have made your entry right in here, like you can see, it closed lower, but you would have made it. That one you would have got stopped out. This one you would have had a little bit of a profit and got stopped out. So for me, for my style, is I just continually do this every time I get a signal, and some of them I get stopped out. Some of them will give me 20 pips or break even, and then sometimes like this, the good ones, they run a while. So the key is to let the good ones run, and then that's the way you can make the good profits. So right now this trade is going to be recorded. I have not taken the trade, but I'm going to be watching this pair, and I will be coming back at the time that the trade happens, and I will post the video at that time. Okay, thank you. I'll be back later.